Got another project we're going to work on. This is a 1993 Kawasaki 125. We did a restoration on this probably about 5 years ago. We have turned every single nut and bolt, replaced every single bearing, powder coated the frame, powder coated the swing arms. It is a terrific runner. Today what we're doing is just kind of going over the service. We take it out every once in a while. I do like to romp on it. It loves the high RPMs. Just kind of show you around. Got a nice powder coated frame on here. We did it in white, just want to change it up. Originally it was green. So some of the service items we're going to do is we got a spring that we're going to be replacing. Originally just kind of up on here, super quick, easy fix. It's just one of those things that was kind of overlooked. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to be replacing the tubes in the tires because they just won't hold air for more than a day, and I'm tired of filling them up. The other thing we got is a soft intermediate terrain from Tusk. I really like the Tusk products. They've been working terrific. Currently what we got on here is actually the original tire that we got the bike with a long time ago. You see we're kind of wearing down the nubs. It is super wide for this particular bike, so I'm going back more to the factory, keep it a little bit narrow, and hopefully it kind of pivots a little bit more. The other thing I got myself for a little Christmas present is we have some nice throwback graphics. We're going to be showing you all how to install those. On 1993, I love just the purple and the green and the throwback graphics. They were just terrific looking, so can't wait to install those. As you can see, we have done everything to here, all new plastics across. We have completely gone through the whole entire engine, split the case, replaced all the bearings in there. Got a new top end done on here, painted the whole engine once we got everything put together. We got a new race carburetor on here. We got it dialed in just perfect. This thing just loves to run. Got new handlebars, things of that nature. Just want to take you around. Kind of show you a little bit of stuff. Came with the F&M pipe on there. We just polished it up. And we'll kind of post those before and after pictures on here. But join us as I just kind of do some quick service on here and just keep it in tip-top shape so it keeps on running. Let's replace this spring. So I like the pedal to ride a little bit higher, and the spring is really going to change this. So this is a 10 millimeter, and it should be an 8 socket, and then spring right here, next there. Let's work on the rear tires. We'll deal with the front in a little. Cotter pins are cheap. Yeah, that went pretty far. Came all the way out. And what size do we do? A lot bigger than 23. I got just the size. It's a 27 millimeter. this tire. And pull it off. Y'all see that? Look at this. The spoke. It's loose. I wonder if there's any others. That is way too much play in it. We will fix that once we break everything apart. As far as the tire goes, there's nothing in there. We'll pull the valve stem. There'll be a drop of air in here. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, kind of found another one too. Same one? Yep, no, there's two. Get the tire irons. Just kind of doing that, I kind of broke the bead. Because we're replacing the tube, I want to see where it's leaking. So I just got a little bit of Windex. I can tell it's leaking right around here. Valve stem. Where a little on the rusted side. So that's been the issue the whole time, which is good to know. Still got 20 pounds. We're good to go. I'm gonna leave that super aired up just so I can monitor it. But everything is done. One thing I skipped over on the spokes, we tried soaking it overnight. We're using some penetrating oil. It's 30 years old. It's on there. It's not worth breaking one spoke in this whole issue, so we'll pretend we didn't see that. And we'll be better off that way.